Welcome to episode 2 of our mini-series covering our A037M mini engine data gateway and N2K converter. Today we'll be covering how to connect the A037M to your Android device via Bluetooth and also how to connect an engine RPM source and convert the data to NMEA 2000. When connecting or disconnecting any inputs to the A037M, you must ensure that the power is switched off and the N2K cable is unplugged. You must also ensure that any unused input wires are connected to spare terminal blocks or shielded. In this video, we will be connecting a signal generator to the A037M so we can simulate RPM and see the values on our IS10 NMEA 2000 display. As you can see here, I'm connecting the red wire, RPM, to the positive red wire from the generator, and also ground from the A037M to the ground from the generator. You'll notice there are two presets relating to the maximum RPM. In these cases, no further changes or datasets will need to be added as the A037M will be able to calculate between the minimum and maximum values. Next, we can connect the N2K drop cable and enable power. A green LED indicator will be solidly lit when powered on. We can then go to our Android tablet and launch the app. This can be downloaded on our website or performed online. Upon launching the app, tap Start Scanning and the A037M appears, tap Connect, then Config. We then need to head to the Input Pinout Settings page where we can configure each input. We can select the relevant input from the drop-down list, in this case RPM. If needed, this is where you can select which preset values will apply. Once all selected, the data output sets will appear. We can double check the sensor is operating correctly. As you can see, when I tap Measure, a value appears and then tapping Calibrated will show the corresponding RPM value. Now, we need to go back a page and enter N2K output settings. This is where the relevant input can be linked to the output PGN. As we're doing RPM, we will use PGN 127488 Engine Rapid Update. You can amend the instance and which input it will use. Enter the details accordingly, ensure to select the correct input as we have done in the previous page. Finally, click Enable PGN and click Save. You can now see on our IS10 display that the RPM is showing and is responsive to my control of the generator output. For more details on how to configure your A037M, please refer to the user manual. Be sure to stay tuned for future videos on the A037M and future releases. As always, stay safe and happy sailing!